Sí, ahí hay como una ola.
Mauritius is a good trip.
Are we going there?
Yeah. So, just 1 minute with you guys.
All right.
So, you can see there's a piece of a cross. Okay, at this top there's a piece of metal. This is the cross. So we need to turn the mountain
Again.
and we go up.
So the cross is literally up there at the top. That's it.
Allez guys, we go. Okay, this is the technical section.
Is this halfway?
Now we are halfway. Okay, but when you will see up, there's a lot of people getting struggle. This is the technical.
That is rather nice. Oh, joder, si esto da que guardo yo
Village of the Moon, guys. Village of the Moon, and then you have a mangrove plantation. Okay, now you are looking at the south coast. Okay. Ça va Maria? You know I can do it. My mom was an hairdresser.
Was she?
Yeah. I live out front. Yeah.
Do you want to photo the two?
Mums down there on one of the beach.
Yeah. Probably down there, yeah.
The wind took me off.
Yeah, do it the other way.
Yeah.
Hit my foot.
Oh. It's from Instagram. I make clothes, so I made this. That's when I made it. It's I have an Instagram where I post it on my sewing.
Can you go to that other side or not?
No, my friend. Without equipment, we are not able to do it. Yeah, but the real summit is this one. 456. We have stopped at 490 meters. Yeah.
490. Yeah.
Come on, Dad.
And down we go. So we've climbed to the top of the Morne, as you saw, and we've just—that's the worst part. That we've just obviously climbed that earlier. We've just come down that. It looks really steep. It is quite steep, but it's a lot better coming down. It's worth it for the view. Definitely recommend getting a guide to help you. You don't have to, but literally, you can see that. You can see them literally up there, walking up there. Oh. Can't believe it.
No, he can't there.
Yeah.
That's that really rocky bit there.
Yeah.
With those
That's
pink
mad.
shell on it. We were up there like 5 minutes ago.
That's just mad, isn't it? So we were literally, what, half an hour ago, no, probably 45 minutes ago, has my finger. Oh no, he's gone. We were literally up there 45 minutes ago, something like that. Walking down, coming down on our bums really, but walking at some points. I'd say definitely need a guide. I know a lot of people say you don't, but I think it's worth it. Definitely worth it. I mean, it's just crazy. Absolutely crazy going all the way up there. 490 metres, did he say?